This is the 12-pack of Taken AA rechargeable batteries for solar lights. I love my solar lights. I have them all over the place. They arrived safely and they came in some really nice packaging. And this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. But let me show you what you get with this. When you open this up, you get 3 sets of 4 solar batteries, packaged nicely in styrofoam. These batteries can be solar charged, and they can be charged using a standard battery charger if you happen to already have one at home, like I do here. So each of these individual AA batteries can be charged up to 2,000 times, and that's huge because that's less waste, that's better for the environment, and they will last me a very long time. These are the same size as the typical AA 1.5 volt battery that we're all used to seeing. These are slightly different because they are 600 milliamp 1.2 volt batteries, and they're made specifically for use with outdoor solar lights, solar pathway lights, solar string lights, anything that requires a 1.2 volt 600 milliamp battery. And according to what I read, they come pre-charged at 40%. So let's test that out. Let's see what we got here. I have 1.28 volts, so this is fully charged. Let's see what we got here. We stick these through the plastic. So mine appear to be fully 100% charged right out of the package. You can see I'm getting 1.28 volts. Perfect. Don't need to charge them. So if you happen to have solar light, kind of like this one, these pathway lights, they're all a little bit different, but mine unscrews from the top right here, and I've got 3 different screws, and I can see the old battery sitting in there right now. Make sure this is off. Let's see how they do. Obviously, you want to be careful here. And you can see my old battery also 600 milliamp, 1.2 volts. So there we go. This is a perfect rechargeable replacement for any solar light batteries that you might have that have reached the end of their life cycle. In my case, they are super easy to replace. I can just pop them in and let the sun do the rest. I love it. And there we go. Back in business. Worked on my lantern too.